But you know, starting a fire.
Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. This is your girl 254 African rider.
Get out of that dirt.
I've decided today to take a walk in the forest. It's a nice nature walk. It's beautiful. It's quiet. You can hear the birds. You can smell the beautiful flowers. You can watch the water. It's a nice nature walk. After work, you need to come and just enjoy. Somebody like me who loves nature. You know, I don't like going to the gym, so I love being in the forest, enjoying the nature. Just smell the fresh air, listen to the birds, and see the water. There is a river here, a small stream. They say they have fish, but I don't know. You can see all the way there is the water. Sometimes it's full, sometimes it's like now it's not. So you can see the way it is.
From the edge,
So beautiful.
A queen ant. Ew, there's a queen ant.
I love this. I can do this every day.
Come on, boy.
And I won't get tired. Especially today, it's so hot. You just need to be here. Just to smell the fresh air. The sun, under the big trees. You can see all these trees. Most of the trees are fallen because of heavy storm. But they've cleared the road now. You can see all those trees. So if you are a person who loves nature, join me. It's beautiful. There you can see there. The water came all the way here from that stream. You could have seen the stream there. You can hear the birds. Look at that. You can look at that tree.
Come over here.
Look at the tree which fell. There. They cleared it. So it's nice. It's beautiful. Look at the birds fly. Ooh, I love it. The flowers. There's nothing like nature. For those people, look at the firewood. Kama unatoka huko side za 254 unaweza jionea.
We're walking in the mud, Mommy.
Yeah.
Why are you walking in the mud?
It's nice. It's a nice place to be. After a long day at work, you just come here and just enjoy your walk. If you want to run, you can run. You can have bring your chairs and sit down and watch the water flowing. It's therapeutic. It's very therapeutic. So you can see. So green, nice. I love it. Okay guys, just I wanted to share with you the nature walk. After a long day, just come here and enjoy. You can bring your family, as like me, I brought all my family. We are just taking a walk slowly by slowly. It's beautiful. It's nice. You can hear the water. That's what you need. Very therapeutic. You can see the water flowing all the way down there. You can see it's a forest. It's a small forest. You can see the sun there. The sun is there, going down. Okay, 254 African rider here. Just wanted to share with you my nature walk today. Keep walking and keep the nature clean. Thank you. See ya. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.